Here's your pumpkin here, right here. Here it is.
What other tool? Oh,
Wow.
Phoenix Coyotes.
I like it. In fact, that's more artistic. Here, I'm going to get up closer.
They're playing the king.
Yay! Boy, twins. Cynthia! Cynthia!
Hilarious. Look at this little scratch.
She's not cooperating.
That was funny. Yeah, you gotta get your hand in. Oh, and now we got Georgia rolling in a pumpkin slime. That's great. This is a great party for the dogs.
Oh, I thought you were going to say for you. This is a great party for the dogs.
Georgia's
See, those dogs are having a hell of a good time.
Watch out with a knife.
That's hilarious. Well, I'm enjoying it.
Yeah, we all are.
Wait,
But that was
yeah.
funny. Georgia's like, oh, this is awesome.
Rio, get under there.
Robin knows how to
Rio, call her. Call him.
Very good.
No, I was using it for the back.
Yeah, Cynthia, what was it you were saying about not having boundaries? Did you miss?
It's okay. It's all right. It's okay.
It's just...
right over there.
Oh.
Hang on to me.
Did you do the ear?
After the men have had their shots, can I go ahead and split it for you?
Clean, baby.
Okay, your turn, John.
Did you hit it? Oh, great.
Did you miss it?
Totally.
No.
Well, this will take a little longer.
Okay, I want to see the police.
Come here, Rio.
My money's on you.
Yeah. If a police officer can't hit it, I'm in a worry.
Let me down. Anytime.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now you gotta
next
go over
time.
by 4 inches.
Come here, Rio.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
You bad guy.
Holy crap.
Sit here. Sit.
Yeah. This is gonna be tricky.
I think you need an automatic for the mouth. That's amazing, John.
Now wait a minute. Wait, where you go?
Yeah.
Jeffrey.
Keep that
You
gun
know it's
pointed
bad
down
when she
range.
says Jeffrey. Oh, he's gonna try. He's gonna try right.
Back away.
It's gonna fall.
From the pumpkin.
It's gonna fall off.
Back away from the pumpkin. Where's that shot gonna go, for Christ's sake?
John, you can see.
Beautiful. This pumpkin should
Uh-oh, bigger nose.
What makes
There you go. Now we're gonna go overeat.
This one, this one, this one, this one. This is the orangest. But this is the blue ribbon, my favorite.
The York. Diane, you won the blue ribbon.
That is really good.
It's beautiful.
Who did this one? That's pretty cool.
Cynthia, she spent all that time and look what she ended up with.
Joe, you are awesome, dude.
I'll wait till fall.
I like the hat on Joe's.